everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Now, one of the biggest complaints that most people tend to have, especially when they start aging, is wrinkles and fine lines, sagging skin, and also hyperpigmentation on the skin, such as spots and blemishes, acne scars, you name it. Some people complain about deep parentheses, they complain about forehead wrinkles, and they also complain about crow's feet and upper mouth wrinkles. Now, personally, for me, I really do not have severe wrinkles and fine lines on my skin. However, at my age, I should have wrinkles and fine lines. But what I do, guys, I take care of my skin. I use a lot of natural products on my skin that keep my skin looking younger and fresher as I age. It's almost like I'm aging in reverse. Now, I'm not trying to show off, guys. What I'm trying to do is to tell you that you can have your skin looking amazing regardless of your age. So I'm going to share one of my beauty recipe with you that I use to get rid of wrinkles and fine lines on my skin, diminish my deep parentheses, and also take care of my crow's feet and my forehead wrinkles while lightening and brightening my skin. So if you're interested in this amazing beauty recipe that I personally use, don't go away, guys. Just continue watching the video for the recipe. Guys, don't worry, it's just about three ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. So let's get in the kitchen. Now, to make our anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, collagen reducing facial oil, you're going to need a small jar. Our first ingredient is green tea, and green tea will help to clear the skin of wrinkles and fine lines. It will also help to boost the collagen production. It contains antioxidants that will have your skin looking younger and firmer once used on a regular. Now I'm using 1 tea bag of the green tea, and what I want you to do is to blend it to a powder. However, if you just take your hands like I'm showing here, you can actually crush the green tea leaves. This is dry green tea leaves, guys, so you can crush it or just put it in the blender and blend it to a powder. Another way to crush this, guys, if you don't have a small blender, is to just pour it on either a board or a piece of paper towel like I'm showing here. Just sprinkle it on the paper towel, and next you are going to use your hands to crush this, your fingers, guys. So just pour it out and then take your hands and just rub it on the green tea leaves. Any dry leaves you can do this with, guys, and it's going to completely blend it out to a powder. Now, once this is done, you're going to reach for your jar and you're going to pour it back in the jar. Now, if you want to make more of this anti-aging facial oil, guys, just double up on the ingredient. Now, the next ingredient is some coconut oil. And coconut oil is one of the better oil that can help to remove hyperpigmentation, spots, and blemishes on the skin. However, it contains moisturizing properties that will help to hydrate the skin and keep your skin looking younger, plumper, and fresher. It is also a very good oil to use to massage your face, making this perfect to add to our anti-aging facial oil. You can substitute the coconut oil for some olive oil or some almond oil, or if you have oily skin, some grapeseed oil. So we're going to use about a 1/4 cup of our coconut oil. And now we're going to pour this in and we're going to move on to our next ingredient. Our next ingredient is another anti-aging facial oil, and this is a special oil that I'm using in this. This is rosehip oil. We're using the rosehip oil mostly for its vitamin A properties, which will help to restore collagen, reduce wrinkles and fine lines on the skin. However, rosehip oil also contains vitamin C, which will help to clear the skin of hyperpigmentation, brighten the skin, and have your skin just looking clean, clear, and younger looking. So I'm going to use about a
teaspoon of the rosehip oil. I'm going to pour this in the container along with the green tea and the coconut oil, and now we're going to give this a mix. So completely blend all the 3 ingredients together. Just 3 ingredients, guys. Amazing, amazing. Now once this is done, we are going to cover our small jar, and guess what you're going to do, guys? You're going to take this and you're going to place it in a dark area in your house, and you're going to leave it there for about 2 weeks or so. That's good enough. What you're actually doing is infusing that green tea in the coconut and the rosehip oil. So after about 2 weeks, you're going to reach back for your oil, and this time what you're going to do, you're going to give it a stir another time, and then you are going to strain. So you're going to use a strainer or preferably a cheesecloth, and you're going to strain this off. Now after straining, you can choose to discard the green tea, or you can choose to add it to some yogurt and use it as a facial mask. Now guys, take a look. Here we have our anti-aging green tea facial oil. Now this oil, guys, all you need is just a little bit, just about 2 drops. Anyway, guys, you can choose to store this on the countertop. No need to put it in the refrigerator, and you're gonna use it up within about 6 weeks or so. It's gonna be good, and use it at night, preferably to massage your skin. Now let me go on the other side, guys, and show you exactly how to use this amazing wrinkle fighting green tea facial oil for best result. Now guys, if you live in a cold place, if you leave it on the countertop, this is what it's going to look like. It's going to get a little hard. That is okay, not to worry. Now to use your oil, all you need is just 2 drops. Just 2 drops. And I like to warm it in my hands like this. And then I'm going to use it on my face to massage my skin. So massage your face with it. And this is best done at night, just before you go to bed. And you want to apply this to clean skin. This is going to help to smooth the wrinkles and fine lines on your forehead, your laugh lines, the neck and décolleté. Press it in the skin, and then you're all done. Now use this every night for best result. When it is done, make a new batch. However, after using this for 7 days, you will notice a significant difference to your skin. You will notice less wrinkles and fine lines. Also, guys, you will notice that your skin look more plumper, more firmer, and also you will notice a natural glow. So there you have it. What are you waiting for? Don't you want to have beautiful looking skin? Don't you want to get rid of those wrinkles and fine lines, those spots and blemishes on your skin? Guys, guess what? Go ahead and make the recipe. Use it for a couple of weeks and then come back and leave a comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all